Trade and Industry Minister Gan Kim Yong stressing today that business networking is a key objective of November's Bloomberg New Economy Forum, which is why authorities are relaxing dine-in restrictions for forum delegates that don't extend to the rest of the population. These delegates can dine in groups of up to 5 at forum venues and other designated restaurants in Singapore. And this will help the running of the forum, which Mr. Gan says is an important event that will contribute to Singapore's status as a hub city. That will in turn support economic recovery and create good jobs for Singaporeans.
We have to bear in mind that an important part of events like the Bloomberg New Economy Forum, one of the key objectives is really business networking. And in business networking, you do want to meet as many people as you can, but in a safe manner within the time frame that is allocated, the limited time that we have given. And therefore, in order for the Bloomberg Forum and MICE events to be effective, we will need to ensure that they have space to be able to interact with one another so that they can network, so that they can meet their business associates, so that they can talk business with one another. And not just one-to-one, but sometimes they need to discuss in a group setting, and therefore we allow them to have a larger group when they are dining. They also need to make use of every moment that's available, because many of them travel from many different places, from faraway places, and they do want to maximize the value that they can create while they are here.
Well, Mr. Gan, who's also a COVID-19 task force co-chair, was addressing unhappiness from some quarters over the perceived inconsistency in rules for forum delegates and the general public, who can only dine in pairs. To that, Mr. Gan says the scale of risk involved is different.
If we were to open up for the general public, for them to be able to dine in a larger group, this does not apply just to a limited number of delegates of a forum. It must apply to all Singaporeans, and that is more than 5 million people. So it is quite different in terms of the scale of the risk and the potential risk that it may, those who are infected may bring back the virus back home, and they may be seniors at home that will be exposed to the danger. So it is we have to bear this in mind as we discuss and explore the possibilities of opening up dining in flexibility for locals. We are unlikely to see a major outbreak from this forum because everyone is tested every day. But as you test the delegates every day, it is possible that you will pick up isolated cases. They might have been imported cases, or they might have picked up the infection while they are in Singapore. And these are likely to be isolated cases, and we will have the capacity to manage them because of the daily testing. So it is less likely to have a major outbreak.